So if you are just watching this, welcome. Now in this series, I'm going to try and break down every single thing I know about real estate so that you can also move from your level to closing sales. Now, if you are a newbie, I'm going to start with the basics. So this is going to be real estate 101 with Joseph Emmanuel. Now, I always tell people, but making money is very, very easy. Making money is very, very, very easy. You just need to learn how. That's why I'm going to teach you how to make money with real estate. Now, first things first, what is real estate? What is real estate? Real estate is any piece of land. Whatever you do on that land is real estate. Now, this particular two words, it's enough to make you a millionaire or a billionaire. Why? There are three essentials for life: shelter, that's where people rest, what people eat, that's food, agriculture, and then love. These three things, if you find yourself in any of these three niches, you can make a shit ton of money. And then look at it, every billionaire falls into any of this category. For example, when it comes to shelter, I'll talk about real estate. Richest man in Africa, with all his own company and all of those things, he will still need place to drop his produce, which is real estate, meaning he will still have to rent warehouses. That is real estate. Food, no matter how rich you are, no matter how poor you are, you still need food. So food is something that you can't do without. Three industries are industries that if you know how to make them, you can make a shit ton of money. Real estate goes beyond just land and building. Real estate is very broad. I always tell people there are like over 10 different ways that you can make money from real estate. I'll try to break them down as possible. I'm trying to be fast so that I'll finish this model in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So follow me. And then while you're watching this, please take notes because everything I say is very, very important. And then I might not go back to them because I'm not reading from a note. I'm just talking top of my head. Now, real estate is broad. There are like over 10 different ways you can make money from real estate or different types of real estate. There's land banking, there's property development, there's brokerage, there's REITs, real estate investment trust, there's JVs, there's buy and flip 2, 4, 6. There's like four more if I remember the course of this module. I'm going to add them up. Now, when it comes to land banking, okay, so land banking, which is the first, land banking, I always tell people is the easiest and laziest way to make money from real estate. I'll give you an example of a boss of mine. He bought land in Guzape. Guzape is a top location in Abuja for 8 million naira. After a couple of years, he sold it for 200 million naira. That's a profit of over 192 million naira. Simply by buying right, buying on time, and then just waiting. So the secret of land banking is actually timing and location. The patient dog always eats the fattest bone when it comes to land banking because the good part is that the land will continue to develop while people move towards those places. Government projects, individual development, and all of that makes the value of that land to appreciate. I'll give another example of a mentee of Dr. Stephen. He bought land in Nikon Estate in Lagos for 13 million and sold it for 220 million naira. And then he said his only regret was that he didn't buy more. So the thing about land banking is, provided it's a good location, the title is good, and then you buy, you are guaranteed that you're going to make a shit ton of money from that investment. Very, very simple. Now, I always tell people land banking, again, is the laziest way to make money over time without lifting a finger. You just need to know who to buy from, when to buy, and where to buy. These three factors is very important. The reason why we're breaking all of this down is that for you to be a realtor, you should understand how finances work. You must have knowledge of your industry. The more you know, the more you earn. It's as simple as that. So that's that, land banking. And then land banking is as simple as just buying land, keeping it without doing anything, just perfectly land titles. Then property development. Now, why some people are buying land to keep it, some people are buying land to develop it so they can easily sell it or put it on for short let or whatever. That's a different way of earning from real estate. So, for example, this building that we are in now, It's a plaza somewhere in Apo settlement. Why somebody else got this land, fenced the land and kept. Another person bought this land, use it for commercial purposes by raising a plaza on it, and that way he's earning rental income every single year from we the tenants. So it's as simple as that. Property development, you buy the land, you develop it into an actual property. This third part is called brokerage. Brokerage simply means selling for developers. You are earning a commission, or it could also be being an affiliate. So there are people that have these properties now, but then they need a link to connect them to the sellers. Remember I said, as a realtor or in life basically, how to make money is simple. Look for a problem and offer a solution to it. The reason why people are making money from real estate is simply because it's a major problem in the housing deficit. The housing deficit in Abuja is high because people are looking for places to buy and rent. So you as a realtor coming in, bridging this market now, you are connecting them to solution. You are going to get what? A cut of their money. In life is simple. If you want to make money, look for a problem and offer solution to it. The reason why Dangote will continue to become rich and over again is simply because he has studied the problem of Nigeria and then he's offering solution to it. That is why he's going to make a shit ton from the refineries, because Nigeria had a problem with refining oil, and then he connected this bridge to solution, and then he's getting a bulk of the money. The bigger the problem you solve, the bigger the reward that you get. It's simple. So if 1 million people are looking for places to rent in Abuja, and then you offer this 1 million people in a solution to their housing problem, each of them give you a commission. You are making a shit ton of money from all of them, because what? You know how to connect problems. So that is basically what you do as an affiliate. Now, people buy real estate or invest in real estate for different reasons. For example, like I said, land banking. My why might be I want to lock my funds. Like me, when I bought my first land, my plan was then I wanted to keep this land when it appreciates and I am ready to jackpot. I sell it off and then I can use the money. Now that is my why. So I need somewhere that can lock my funds and give me future returns. Somebody connected me to a solution. He said I should buy land in Kwakwalada, which I did. That's already a solution already. You get? So that is that about that. Very important. Always know your, we'll talk about that later in the future, sure, but later in the models. So the next is real estate investment trust. Now this is real estate investment trust. Now this is, let me explain this very, very practical. This is slice of pizza. Now, this is how trusts are. Real estate investment trust. This is one model that many people don't know. This is a simple way you can earn in dollars during real estate. Now, there are different companies that they have different cash flow properties, but then they need your money to also keep this business running. So here's what they can do. They can sell you a share or a slice of their profits when you invest. So when you invest in them, you get a piece of this. I'll give you example, Dangote now. Dangote shares is listed on the Nigerian stock market. It means you can buy a share of his company, you can own a piece of Dangote without buying land in any of his properties. So the same way you can own a piece of LSE properties without readily investing in land. So they use your money to do business, and then when they are profitable, they give you a share of the profit, which is called dividends. That is that about this. This last part is called JV. JV, and then it could also okay, the fifth part, let's add fractional real estate. Let me talk about fractional real estate first, because both of them, they can go hand in hand. Fractional real estate, this is a type of real estate where, if for example this land now is selling for 5 million naira, but I don't have this 5 million naira, what I can do is I can connect 10 of my friends together. We come together, or 5 of my friends, we contribute 1 million naira, we buy this property. Everybody owns a fraction of it now, and all of us are landowners. So it's simple. If your Shola did this, she she sold a property for 56 million naira. You can check the name out, if your Solia. So she sold a property for 56 million naira. She didn't have that money actively. What she did was she reached out to 6 of her friends, and then they contributed the money from their salaries. They raised the money, they bought the property. After a couple of months, they sold that property. It's as simple as that. So in real estate, they always tell you, just like he's saying, one good head, I mean, 2 good heads is better than one. Depends the head, sure, because some of your head might not be correct. So when it comes to fractional real estate, work with people that have common sense. Very important. So JV deal now, back to JV. For example, JV deal, I own the land, I don't have money to develop it. I can partner with you and then you develop the land for me, and at the end of the day, you give me units in the building. That's just JV. JV means joint ventureship. Together we work and then we do it. So you see something like premium share, now we're going to share 60-40, 50-50 and all of that. That's JV deal. Then buy and flip. This one underrated part of real estate. It's simply buying properties and then renovating them and then selling them for higher profits. It's the same thing with phones. The way they do iPhones now, I can buy an iPhone that the back is cracked or the camera is bad. I work on it, change battery health, do all of those things, and then sell it for higher price. So it's the same thing you can do in real estate. It's called buy and flipping. This is one underrated model that you can make a shit ton of money. So you can buy a building that is a carcass, you can buy an old building, repaint it, furnish the inside, do one or two things, and sell it for a whooping profit. You could even make almost times solve your profits from this. That's the power of real estate. There's so much money. And then that is the end of this model, Real Estate 101. Again, there's so much money to be made from real estate. See you in next model.